Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Asos app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do, you just click here on app settings here. When you click on app settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications here. When you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down here and you come here to order and return updates here. So then you click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean order and return updates notifications enabled with us now. Then when you want to exit, you just click here on save and exit here, and it's going to save video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.